Hello everyone, welcome back. In another video, I had promised to explain the equation of line. So here it is, y is equal to mx plus c. How to understand the equation of line and how to plot it on a graph. 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is an equation. To understand this in terms of y is equal to mx plus c and to plot it, first we have to move around the terms and rearrange it so that it looks in the format y is equal to mx plus c. That means we should have y on the left hand side and everything else should be on the right hand side. We can take this 2x and move it over to this side, giving it a negative sign. So this becomes minus y is equal to minus 2x plus 1. Now, since we have a minus y on the left hand side, we want to make it positive. So we change the signs on all of the terms, which we can do. Or another way to say it is we can multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So this becomes y is equal to 2x minus 1. So this is our equation. How do we interpret it? Now, if we compare this with y is equal to mx plus c, it is in the y is equal to mx plus c format. Right next to it, we write y is equal to mx plus c, and we do a comparison. What is the coefficient of x? It is 2. So we say m is equal to 2, and that is the slope. In this equation, m is the slope. And then what is c? If we do a comparison, c is equal to minus 1. And in this equation, c is supposed to be y-intercept. Y-intercept means that this is the number on the y-axis where our line intersects with the y-axis. Now, if we want to plot this line, we will start with the y-intercept. We'll find the y-axis, and on that, we'll find the y-intercept location, and that is here. Okay. The second thing is it has a slope of 2. Slope means rise over run. Okay. So 2, we have to think of 2 as a fraction. Rise over run. So 2 can be written as a fraction 2 over 1. So the rise is 2 and the run is 1. So rise, of course, vertical movement. Run is horizontal movement. Okay. So from here, we move one point to the horizontal direction and then 2 points in the vertical direction. 1, 2. So this is our second point through which this line should pass. Now, if we had a straight edge, we could just connect these 2 points and draw our line. But just for more explanation, I will do this a couple times. Again, one unit to the right and 2 units up. Again, 1 unit to the right and 2 units up. So this, all these are the points which are part of this line. Okay, so we will connect these, and that is our line. That is the line 2x minus y is equal to 1. This time we are going to make it 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. All right. Now I've chosen a slightly more complex equation. Again, we want to convert it into the format of y equal to mx plus c. So first thing to do is take this term, move it over to this side, and it becomes a minus 3x. So 2y is equal to 4 minus 3x. And then the next thing we have to do is because we want just y on the left hand side, so we can achieve that by dividing by 2 on both sides. So that will make it y is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2x, or y is equal to minus 3.5x plus 2. So now again, we got this in our y is equal to mx plus c format. From this, by comparison, we read the slope and the intercept, the y-intercept. The slope is equal to minus 3 by 2, and the y-intercept is 2. Now, a negative slope, a negative number for the slope means that the line points downwards. Okay, it points below the x-axis, below the horizontal. All right, so we will plot this one here. First, we should note that c is equal to 2. So let's mark this here. It's one of the points that it has to go. On the y-axis, we have to find where 2 is, and we mark that. Okay, and then the next thing we see is its slope is minus 3 over 2. So rise over run. So rise is negative 3. Negative 3 is actually fall, not rise. Okay, so it will go down. So it will go down 3 and forwards 2. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. So this is the point through which this line should pass. So let's connect these two. And that is that. So the line 3x plus 2y is equal to 4 looks like this green line. That is the line with the equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. And sometimes we use this for solving equations, and the intersection point is the answer. Here, this intersection point doesn't fall on a neat intersection of the grid. So I'm just going to guess these numbers. The x value of this, the x coordinate of this is going to be about 0.8, and the y coordinate looks like 0.7. So this is an estimate. This is not an exact answer. I'm just estimating it. So that would be the answer if we were using the intersection of lines to find the solution of an equation. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.